Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. Now we will see the topic types of e-commerce business, lecture number 3. Now we will see types of e-commerce business. There are several types of e-commerce business. In previous lecture, you have seen B2B e-commerce, B2C e-commerce, C2B, C2C, B2G, C2G and B2A e-commerce. Now we will see C2A, B2P and B2B service provider. So let us start one by one. Now we will see customer to administration. It means C2A e-commerce. The customer to administration model include all electronic transactions conducted between individual and public administration. So students, e-commerce, all the electronic transaction between individual and public administration. The C2A e-commerce model helps the consumer post their queries and request information regarding the public sector directly from their local government or authorities. It provides an easy way to establish communication between the consumer and government. For example, education, social security, taxes, health is the example of C2A administration. This is a diagram of C2A e-commerce. Here, customer, internet and administration present. Customer selling their product to the administration using a internet. Next is peer-to-peer. P2P is the communication model in which each party has the same capabilities and each party can initiate a communication session. For example, Napster.com, mp3.com. Here, this is the communication model in which each party has the same capabilities and either party can initiate a communication session. Peer-to-peer technology enables internet users to share files and computer resources directly without having to go through a central web server. For example, Napster.com, which was established to add internet user and finding and sharing online music file. Another example is mp3.com. It is used to share and download free mp3 song at mymp3.com. Okay, mp3.com makes money through advertising and charging for some download has been recently acquired by a major music industry player. So, this is a peer-to-peer e-commerce. Last one is B2B service provider. B2B service providers are the one who provide such a support or platform to business to build their B2B interaction. B2B service providers are middleman solutions that take e-business messages from one EDI standard and transform it into another, allowing smaller companies and companies from other sectors to be able to process otherwise incompatible message format. EDI means electronic data interchange. Okay, so B2B service provider are provider such as support and platform to other businesses. Okay. Students, now today our second chapter was completed. In next lecture we are going to start chapter number 3, Infrastructure. Thank you.